Meet the glider. If the outside of your window's dirty and you can't reach it, you can try to climb up a high ladder, or you can take a walk on the roof, or simply use the glider. The glider is a simple, perfect solution to clean the outside of windows when there's no easy access to them. The glider is equipped with a powerful magnet and comes in 3 models designed for window thickness from 4 to 28 millimeters. The uniqueness of the glider lies in its ability to spread the cleaning liquid from the part of the window that's nearest to you across the entire window. The glider washes the dirt off both sides of the window at the same time. The glider has 4 wipers layered in a perfect way to pull the liquid across the glass, leaving it clean, dry, and shining. The microfiber cloth can then be used to wipe off any remaining streaks on the window after the glider's operation. For safety, close your window on the white string or wear the security ring. The glider is part of a line of prestigious cleaning tools from T-Roller, a leader in the market for over 25 years.
Finally, an instant smart home that you can set up by yourself in 1 minute or less. Just snap SwitchMate over your existing light switches and plug SwitchMate power into your existing outlets for an instant automated home. No tools, no wiring, no configuration. Stay cozy in bed and turn lights off through your voice. Put your home on a schedule with timers. Have lights greet you when you come home late or enter rooms. Or turn lights on before you come home, so entering a dark home is a thing of the past. Get your 1 minute smart home today.